In discussing strategies for developing opportunities with persons with disability, one priority goal emerges first. This is the basic architecture, if I can use that term, of the IT disability activities. The ethicist states this: the internet is a place of equality. It gives us all power and choice at the same level, but only if your access of it is equal to everyone else's. How do you make the access of the internet accessible to everyone? That's got to be the first accomplishment of any new strategy that empowers people with disability. That's why I spent a week in Hyderabad, because Iridium is in the process of becoming knowledgeable in this, and hopes to take some resource, to become a resource for this if and when it happens. That's why I'm here, because Rufina has the same judgment and the same kind of vision, that this is where the NASCOM Foundation may be able to be helpful to people who are interested in this. So in concluding, I said, if people are interested in this, what would you tell them to do? How do you get started in thinking about disability IT or making your product accessible or useful? And I came up with 4 little common sense kind of things that I think you can do. Check the development of any new product and ask your staff if it will be accessible. All disabilities accessible. If you don't have products in development, start with those you have in the market and ask the same question: is it accessible? Find out what Find out what standards and expectations there are for product accessibility. They're available for the web and through resource agencies. There are a number of them. The ww3c.com, I believe, will list all of the international standards, and there are many, and they're very long. They're a little confusing, but they're, to me anyway, but they probably wouldn't be to you. Work with the highest standards, because actually, after all, aren't your products going to be penetrating other markets? So work with the highest standards which all of the other countries are attaining to. If you start consciously to do some change for people with disabilities, let the people with disabilities know. Let them know as much as you can. Build this into your marketing plan, your communication plan. It couldn't hurt your reputation, and more than likely, it will bring you new business and, without question, better public goodwill. And the last one is, don't design accessibility by yourself and then release it to the product. Always test it with people who are disabled, the people who will be using it. That's what I'd like to leave you with. I just want to acknowledge that in 5 days it's Valentine's Day, and we who are compassionate would like to invite you to celebrate Valentine's Day by giving a gift to the people with disability, your product. Thank you.